Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. In summer, I love to do hummus for aperitif and all that. Sometimes I use white beans, sometimes I use black beans even, different type of thing. The classic way, of course, is with the chickpeas. I have a kind of chickpeas here. I'm going to pour out the water out of it. I may use some of the water back. I have garlic. I put a fair amount of garlic in there. 3/4 cloves of garlic at least, and I'll put that in the food processor first. Then I'm going to put my chickpeas, a little bit of the water, maybe 2-3 tablespoons. We'll see whether I need more. Lemon juice, about a tablespoon at the most. And in there, the classic way, of course, is to put tahini, which is sesame paste. I don't have sesame paste, so I use another nut, which is peanut. A couple of tablespoons of peanut butter will go well with it. Some hot sauce, of course, salt, and I would test it again at the end to see. And olive oil. I would use probably close to 1/3 of a cup of olive oil there. So let's turn that on. Let's see, I want to test it. That's good. I'll spread it out. I have a little bit of feta cheese here. So I'm going to break down some feta cheese on top of it. I think it goes well with it. About 2-3 tablespoons here. I have some chives. Couple of tablespoons too, at the most. I like a little bit of Spanish paprika, which is a bit smoky. Goes on top of that. Even a dash of oil on top. And I just had in my cupboard here some pepper here. So I put that as a garnish on top. Give it a bit of color. And this is it. I have a beautiful hummus of chickpeas. Try it. Happy cooking.